sir. Akash sir is here.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Meera, meet me in my cabin.
Good morning, Akash.
Good morning.
Take a look at this.
What is this?
It's a book on ISL football, Akash, which Penguin is publishing next month. And this is exactly the type of book you had planned.
Holy crap. Where did you get this?
From the press where they print. And this is going to hit the market before our product. And if it gets published before ours, then our product is going to be a failure. I don't know what to do because our typesetting has not even started.
We will not publish the book.
What?
We will not publish the book. Change your plans. We will release the book as an audiobook. Before them, arrange the voiceover artists and start recording within 7 days. We will release it within 14 days through all available pay and download sites. And we are through.
Okay, Akash.
Okay.
Have you called me, Akash?
Yes, Meera, come. Have you finished the proofreading of Dr. Mehta's book?
Yes, I have.
Sit. Do you solve crosswords, Meera?
No.
No wonder you don't. You start solving crosswords. Your vocabulary will improve. Say, I found 10 mistakes in the first paragraph. And if I publish this stuff, the reviewers will rip my reputation in shreds. And our company's 10 years reputation will go down in drains in 10 days.
I'm sorry,
What?
I'm sorry, I'll just go through this again.
No. You don't have to go through it again. Give it to Jyoti. I think she knows what she's doing. You just stay away from the editorial work. Do one thing. You start calling distributors for the payment reminders. Boring job, I know, but hopefully you will do that correctly. Hello? Oh, yes, sir. How are you doing? Absolutely fine. Oh, that's great. Thank you so much for agreeing on distributing our books in Europe. Sure, sir. Sure, we can meet. I'll be there to sign the contract. Yes, sir. Sir, be rest assured that your business in Europe will be double with our books. We will discuss the percentage tomorrow when we meet. I'll be there in Telega tomorrow morning. Okay. Okay, bye, sir. Meera, book a hotel for me tomorrow in Telegao.
Yes, Akash.
Actually, I want to say that...
You want to say sorry for arguing loudly with me in front of our children in the restaurant? You even want to say it'll never happen again? Isn't it?
Yes. But how do you know I...
Well, we have been staying together for the last 10 years now. And I even know why you stopped your car while returning from the restaurant today. And you're gonna give me a gift and tell me very softly, I am sorry, Seema. Isn't it?
Sorry, Seema.
What? You said something.
I'm sorry, Seema.
It's okay. It's not really necessary to pick up an argument every time just to give me a gift, you know. So, how was the office?
Well, I'm going to Telega tomorrow morning for the Europe distribution deal.
That's a good news now.
Yes. And tomorrow, you don't have to make me coffee. I will have it, and I will have it with sugar. For a change?
I again forgot to put sugar in the coffee, didn't I?
Obviously. We have spent 10 years together. And this is not the first time you have done. In fact, this is the 764th time.
That's a good calculation, I must say.
The message of love.
Raju, stop.
Hey, what's up? Can you please give me a ride?
Sure, please come in.
Thank God you stopped, you know. I don't know what would have happened if you didn't. The car had just broke down in front of him, nowhere. And without a warning, I don't know how to get a car here. You know how hard it is, right? Oh, by the way, I'm Varsha.
Yeah, I'm Akash.
Nice to meet you. So, aren't we gonna go?
Yes, sure. But which way are you headed?
I'm so sorry. I'm going to Telegao. Just drop me anywhere where I'll get a ride.
I am going to Telegao as well.
Really?
Yes.
Such a coincidence. So Akash, right?
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a CEO of a publishing company.
Oh.
Actually, I'm going for a meeting.
Oh. That's nice. Oops, I dropped my phone. I can't reach it. Got it.
Yep.
Surprise!
You?
Looks like we're in the same hotel. I hope I'm not disturbing you. I thought we share a cup of coffee after such a long drive.
Sure. Please come in. Would be my pleasure.
So you're married?
Yes. With 2 children. 4 and 7.
How sweet. Tell me about your wife.
Well, Seema was my college friend. We fell in love, then we got married, and afterwards, she turned out to be very lucky for me. As soon as I got married, I got involved in my work. And before I knew, I had 2 sweet little children and a lovely wife, you know. I really love her a lot, you know. I really love her a lot. She was 16 and I was 17 while we fell in love. Her mother thought that I was an idler and opposed the marriage for a while. But her firm resolve melted even the iron resolve of her mother. Sometimes I feel that I have been really unjust to Seema. Even I have not been able to take the responsibility of my children also because of this busy work schedule. But I am fortunate enough that the family car is running on one wheel. That's only because of our love for each other. Forget it. Tell me something about you.
Well,
Varsha? I'm sorry.
no, I am.
No, I am sorry. It's absolutely my fault. I don't know what I was thinking.
You don't know the truth.
Truth? What truth? What truth?
I'm a prostitute.
What?
I was sent here by some of your colleagues who hate you.
But why would they send a prostitute to me?
Your love and anchor is Seema. They wanted me to take some photographs of you and me in a compromising situation. To send it to your wife.
But why are you telling all these things to me?
Because I've seen the world. I felt that you're a good man. You see, honesty and goodness are rare commodities nowadays. I couldn't do it.
Are you sure that you don't want me to drop you somewhere?
No, I'll take it from here.
I really don't know how to thank you for what you did.
You don't have to. Just be loyal and loving to your wife. She deserves it.